Okay, this is going to be an iPhone 7 unboxing and setup. So on the box you can see there's a photo of the device there, iPhone around the side, Apple logo at the top, same on the bottom, and on the back you can see we've got all the information there about the device. Pause if you want to read. There we go. Right. And then there was a seal on the bottom there, but all you have to do is just lift like that. Now, if you so if you take this out, this is where all of your like booklets and stuff would be, and here is the device itself. Okay, and there is the device itself. As you can see, it's a matte black edition, and then in here you just have your 5-watt power adapter and the new lightning connected headphones. Now, and what there also is there's an adapter for if you wanted to use your old headphones. So you can see there's another adapter there as well, because the new device has not got a headphone jack. So I think it went further back, didn't it? Did that go further back?
Just slides in the whole way.
Maybe just like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so that is an overview.
Plug's right.
Oh,
There you go.
so
There's a flappy bit on the plug.
oh.
Oh no, there isn't. My mistake.
So that is an overview of what you get in the box. Ooh. That's a bit of a weird angle.
Start again.
So,
Need to lift it. Nice.
ooh, there we go. And then here's the device itself. Now, all you do is you just take that off, and then all of this can go back in as well. So you can see it's a matte black edition. So you can see it's a matte black edition, and it's powered on. Now, bear in mind what you will need in order to get this activated is either a Wi-Fi connection or an activated SIM card, because once you go to activate it, it will want you to put one in straight away. So as you turn it on, you see this screen. Now, this home button is different because it's not a physical one. So you select your language, region. As you can see, it will set that. And then obviously point the camera away if we need to enter the network password. And I'll turn it out. Now, this is a feature with iOS 11 and above. But for now, what we're going to do to make this process faster is set up manually, just there. Here's VoiceOver.
1 of 4 bars. 17 4G. Status bar item. VoiceOver off.
So what we're going to do for now activate using mobile connection, as you can see. Now, in order to restore from backup, you're going to need a Wi-Fi connection or a personal hotspot. Now let's see if this will activate with only 1 of 4 bars of signal. If not, we're going to have to connect it to the Wi-Fi network. Hey, okay, so that's activated now. Hit continue. Set this up later. Continue. Don't add passcode, so passcode options, don't add. Set up as new for now. And we'll skip this. Agree. Store these manually. Disable. Turn that on later. Same with this. Now, this is something new. So basically, what you do is you can change the pressure of this click or the way it feels. 1 is very soft, 2 a little bit stronger, and 3 is the most. We're going to go 2 for now. Hit next. And then this is where you can choose how you want to view it, how you want to basically view your phone. Landscape, no, standard view. You can see it gives you an idea. Or a zoomed view. I'm going to go for standard. Hit next, and welcome to iPhone. Hit get started. And there you go, you've set up your new device. Hope this helped. Thanks for watching.